Hi, this is Sohrab, and in this video, I am going to talk about the power of film editing. Often, when we discuss how the editing of a particular movie or sequence isn't good or could be better, it is hard to grasp how it could be improved, especially without a clear before and after comparison. This discussion is often limited to educational courses or movies that don't have a wide release. However, sometimes when movies with different editing versions are released, it provides a unique opportunity to compare the editing of the sequences and learn a lot from them. One such example is Justice League, which had its first version released in 2017 and another one in 2021 known as the Zack Snyder Cut. For instance, look at this simple scene of meeting Cyborg. Regardless of the color and framing differences, both versions are start with a wide shot to introduce the space, but Snyder's version extends this shot, allowing us to pay attention to more details of the space that he later uses. Notice that there is no immediate need to see the character's face. Instead, we see the character in an open space even though it's dark. This choice has two reasons. First, it's important for the moment when the lights start to dim, so the difference in the atmosphere is fully felt. And second, it comes later when Wonder Woman talks about losing a loved one.
I lost someone I loved once.
Being in the dark can help convey this idea and the fact that Cyborg also lives in such a dark space.
What part of this looks like a gift to you?
Since the camera moves upward in this shot, it is very logical to use it for Cyborg's entrance to create a powerful introduction to him and the dark emotional space within him. When the dialogues become serious, we now get closer to the faces. Until Cyborg leaves, the lights come back on. Finally, we return to the impact of this conversation on her face. Very on. Let's look at another sequence that was edited very similarly, both using the same logic. However, the main difference is in this final part. See how is in Snyder's version, he first lets Barry Allen deny himself and let his sentence be fully expressed.
Whoever you're looking for, it's not me.
This creates a stronger reason for Batman's sudden movement, allowing him to reveal the truth about Flash's character contrary to his words. And then, by slightly lengthening the scenes and adding Flash's spin with a blade in his hand, the process of recognition, surprise, decision-making, and the joy at the end of this sequence are fully imprinted in the viewer's mind.
You're the Batman?
In the next video, we will examine a more complex sequence from this movie to gain a better understanding of the power of film editing. Hope you find it useful and make magic with your projects.